Howdy YouTube, it's Ian, General Contractor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a pocket door that has come off the tracks. And this video is specifically for a pocket door in which the wheel set has broken apart, but there are some tips in here that are going to help you out quite a bit if you do have a problem with a pocket door. Now this is a pocket door from a 1950s house, so we have this solid hardware here, we have these two wheels that ride on a track up top. And the main problem is that this has broken apart, so there's no way to get this to ride on the track anymore. But most importantly, I have the door out of the pocket, as you can see, which gives me access to the location up here where the wheels screw in. But I did have to remove all of the door trim and then a couple pieces of the door jamb, which were on this side and this side. Just know if you do have to fix a pocket door, you probably will have to take some of these parts of your door off. So I'm going to walk you through how to fix this right here and get the door working again. Here we go. Okay, so here's the door with one side off of the track and the other wheel is intact up there. Now I have dropped the wheel down from the track up there, but that wheel is all good. And what that is a rivet right there. That's why it's a little tricky to replace that. Now, these are the screws for the other set of wheels. So this guy needs to go back there. Okay, here you have your wheel and your wheel base. This is the only way it goes together, just like this. I've already verified that by looking up the one that's intact up there. The rivet is gone from that hole, and that's why we need to fix it. So hopefully this saves you some time. I've already determined that the way to do this is number 632 screws, 3/8 of an inch long. Let's go ahead and put this together. Okay, we got this all back together. And after a lot of what I call futzing around, here's what we've got. I realized that this was also loosened up quite a bit. So anytime the wheel grabbed the track, one of them would fall out. So this has been tightened up, but I also took this back out completely. There's a screw right here. You're gonna need vice grips and some channel locks probably. You need to tighten this down to this. That is what prevents it from falling out of the track. Okay, so over here, here's the original one. Okay, now what I've learned, because I've already put the door in once and taken it back out, now that this has been reset, there's only one way these things really go into that track, and I'll show you that right now. All right, so here's my door off to the side. Here's the track right there. This is where the wheel needs to get into. What you need to do is you need to tilt the door way back like this because there's not enough clearance to go straight up and down. That's the only way the wheels are going to grab that flange right there and tuck inside there. But I'm going to put the door back in now and you'll see the angle I'm talking about. Now that I've done this a handful of times, I've suffered all the frustration already. So I'm tilting it all the way in there now. I gotta tilt this thing way back here. I got the left to grab, now I got the right to grab. Okay, that was a big tilt. Now, drop the door back in there, and we're back to sliding correctly. Good to go there. There's one tucked in there properly. There's the other one.